Hey everyone! I will give you a quick demo of Workspaces, a new set of features for teamwork in Gologin. So from now on, when you click Menu in Gologin, you will see My Workspaces. Here's what that is. A workspace is a place when you interact with your team. You invite members, you share profiles and folders, you give custom permissions, and you give access to your workspace to different people. So each Gologin account subscription is limited to one workspace. So when you add another one, you will need another subscription. But you can be invited to work with another team. So when someone invites you to their workspace, it will add up here. Okay? So we'll start with inviting members to our workspace. Let's click Invite Members. Here, the first thing we see is the amount of users joined. So it's just me right now, but I have 20 team seats on my enterprise plan. On business plan, you will have 10 team seats. So all you need to do is to paste user email and give access either to selected folders or the whole workspace. We'll go with selected folders. Okay, so here you can give access to selected folders. You can either let the user run, edit, or have full access to your folder. You can also choose all folders. So it works like this. For example, let's choose our folders Remote 1 and 2 and send invite. Okay, and that's it. I have invited a user to my workspace. If you want to edit the rights that you've just given, go to Settings, Settings and Members, and it goes straight to Workspace Settings. So here in the settings, notice that there are Workspace settings. Okay, so now we have 2 users joined. Here you can rename your workspace. Okay. You can invite new members. This is me as the owner of the workspace. And this is the user that I've just shared folders with. These are permissions. You can edit them here, or you can remove member. Let's remove them. And that's it. It's only me again. So, again, when someone else adds you to work with different team, another workspace will show up. But if you add workspace, let's just try it here. See, this is the notifications for you. You can have only one trial or free workspace. So let's add another one. Here it is. And the actions are limited here because payment is required. So let's go and delete this workspace. Here we can have delete workspace. And for safety, we should type delete here. Alright, so we switched back to our original one. Let's go back to all profiles. And another thing that I will show is sharing profiles. For example, you need to share 1 or 2 profiles. For that, you just need to select them on the left. And this is the panel of mass actions. So we selected 2 of them, and we need to click Share Profile. Here we paste the email of the user that we share profiles with and select the role. So the user will be able to run, edit, or have full access to the profiles. Let's click Edit for an example. And click Share. And that's it. We just shared 2 profiles to this user. From here you can edit. It's either run, edit, or full access, or you can also remove users from sharing these profiles. Let's click Remove. Alright, that's it. So, okay, another thing I want to show you is transferring profiles. So let's select 2 profiles again and click Transfer. So transferring profiles is passing them to the new owner. So be careful not to make mistakes here. All you need to do is paste your email and click Transfer. So this is a notification to double check that you will no longer have access to these profiles after you transfer. This action cannot be undone. All you need to do is click Transfer and that's it. You can also transfer profiles to a different workspace. Now we only have one, but if you work with different teams, you will be able to choose another one here. Okay, I think that's it about the workspaces in Gologin. If you have any more questions about how they work, simply write a comment under this video or write to the support chat at gologin.com.